All right, so shout out to Kemjika. That's right. Give it up for Kemjika. All right, so thanks a lot, Kemjika, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day, right? So you guys ready to translate that name together? Kemjika. All right, good. All right, so Kemjika. So Nkem. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So Nke means like that thing, or there's no like exact English translation. Nke. It's just like the object of whatever you're talking about, right? So it kind of depends on what you're talking about afterwards to give it meaning. So Nke just means like the one or the thing or something, right? And then that sound at the end of the M, right? Means it's my thing or my something or my whatever, my object, whatever it is that I'm talking about belongs to me. So it's Nkem, right? G means to have or to hold, possess, you know what I'm saying? And Ka means just greater than, better than, bigger than, just, you know, amazing, things like that, right? And so you put all those together and you get Nkemjika, which means what I have is best, or what I have right now in my possession is, you know, better than what's already out there. You know what I'm saying? What I have in my possession is better than, you know, what's out there right now. I'm basically like, I'm grateful for what I have right now. Nkemjika. What I have is the best. I have the best right now, or I'm happy for what I have right now. I'm grateful for what I have right now. Nkemjika. What I have is amazing. Nkemjika's names give them the power to have many different talents. They're confident and entrepreneurial. Tag and share this video with all the Nkemjikas that you know. Thanks. Dibo Kwen.
Yeah.
America Kwen.
Yeah.
Indulge Neil on the Wakwe Zone.
Yeah.
All right, so what did you think of that name? Would that be a fitting name for the new child that you're expecting? Would that type of name be a fitting name for you? If you have an idea for any type of name that you might want to name your newborn, I'm trying to like start this like this theme or this trend where people might come to this channel to get baby names, right? So if you're expecting a baby, or if you would like to you know, reconnect with your African roots and get an Igbo name, let me know and I can give you a matching name that matches any personality traits. Maybe Nkemjika's name inspired you and there's some certain things that you would like to speak into your child's life or manifest into their life, you know what I'm saying? So if you let me know what those traits are or what those ideas are, I can give you a matching Igbo name, the closest matching Igbo name to whatever that meaning is, right? So I can give you that name on the Igbo name of the day. Check out my Instagram, link below. Just send me a DM, or you could also write it in the comment section. But if you want to send something private, because usually I ask some questions and things like that, right? To get to know what you would want in a name if you don't have a completely clear concept yet. I can help you along with the process. And yeah, so I'll feature your name on the Igbo name of the day giveaway. If you are Igbo, I can feature your name just like Nkemjika's on the Igbo name of the day, right? So if you would like an Igbo name, basically the whole concept is whenever someone speaks your name, they're invoking the power of that name and manifesting the gifts and the power behind that name into existence. You know what I'm saying? Culturally, that's why we take naming our children very seriously, because we believe that we're speaking blessings into that child's life. So it's kind of like a built-in way whenever someone calls. Imagine every time someone calls your name, they're not just saying a word that they might not know the meaning of, right? They're basically saying the actual thing that you want to manifest into your life. So the more they say it, the more you're manifesting that, the more it's coming true. You get what I'm saying? The more the law of attraction is bringing the things that you want into your life to come to fruition, all right? So thanks a lot for supporting this YouTube channel. If you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then just tap it really lightly instead. Leave me a comment down below to let me know what you thought about this video. Share this, like I said, with all the Gemjikas that you know. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the bell button so you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. It could be the video that I make for you next. So I look forward to speaking with you guys either in my comment section or in my DMs. Looking forward to hear what you have to say. Every comment and like really helps strengthen this channel and share this message with anyone who might be interested. So every time you hit that subscribe button, it helps the YouTube algorithm basically share this with people who are similar to you and might want to hear this content. Every time you hit the like button, it does the same thing too. So I appreciate all of your likes and your comments and your subscriptions. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.